Hi children. So in this lesson we are going to see a sparrow's intelligence. Okay. So the lesson name is the witty sparrow. So witty means what? That is intelligent. So the sparrow is a very intelligent. So or you can say clever, smartly acting in that situation. Once a very clever brown sparrow lived in a forest, laid 3 eggs in her nest. So once there lived a sparrow in a forest which laid 3 eggs in her nest. The nest was in a bush. So bush means a small, a moderate height only it will grow. Bush, okay. All the animals greeted her madam with respect. So all the animals in the forest greeted her. So greeted means giving respect to the sparrow. So how they are calling madam. So all the animals they are calling madam with respect. So Gulu, the young elephant, never did so. So Gulu was the one among animal in the forest, which is a small young elephant. Which is a young elephant. He never used to call madam. Thud, Gulu walked past the bush purposefully. So he's walking very fast. So he's making a heavy sound while walking. Okay, near the bush. So purposefully, so intentionally it is making a sound. So it rattled the nest. So rattled means making some disturbance to the nest. Madam was worried that Gulu might crack the eggs. So madam here refers to the sparrow. So the sparrow was very much worried. So whether that elephant might break the eggs or might crack the eggs. If you do this tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope and then you can't move at all. I warn you. So the little sparrow is warning. Okay. What children it is telling? See, if you do this tomorrow, so if you have same thing, if you do this tomorrow, I will tie you up. Tie means tighta kattradu. Tie. Okay. So I will make you tie with a strong rope and then you can't move at all. So you can't move this side and that side. So I will tie you up. So if you do this again, I warn you. So warn means echarikkiradu. So that sparrow is giving warning. So the little elephant, the young elephant is telling, tie me up. Ha ha ha. We will see. So tie me up. So if you want to do, tie me up. We will see. We will watch. That afternoon, she went to the river bank to drink water. So the sparrow is going to the nearby river. So to drink water. A crocodile was stretching in the spot where she was drinking water. So stretching means a crocodile is coming that way. Where the sparrow is drinking water in the river. So on that side, that way, a crocodile was passing. Blocking me again. You have done it twice this week. Move on. I don't want to drink muddy water. So the sparrow is telling, so what she is telling ma? Blocking me again. So blocking means you are passing again this way. You have done it twice this week. So this week you have done 2 times like this. So move on. So move from this. I don't want to drink muddy water. So that crocodile is coming that way. So that it is making a muddy water. So muddy water means that seru kalanda thanni. Okay, na? So the crocodile, while it is passing that way, it is giving a muddy water. So that sparrows don't want to drink that muddy water. So it is giving warning again to the crocodile. So the crocodile is telling, see, move on. Did you say I will stay put? You better go elsewhere to drink water. So move on. So move aside. So I will stay put. You better go elsewhere to drink water. I will stay here. So na inga da irpa. I will stay here. You go somewhere else, somewhere place to drink water. So the little thing like you tying me up. So the sparrow is telling, today I will let you be, but if I find you in the same place tomorrow, I will tie you up with a strong rope. So again the sparrow is warning to the crocodile. So what it is telling ma, see, I will let you be. So today I will let you. You can go free, but tomorrow if I find you in the same place, I will tie you up. So நான் உன்னை கட்டி போட்டுருவேன். So நான் again இங்கே பார்த்தனா I will tie you up with a strong rope. So the crocodile is telling children, see, little thing like you tying me up. So you are a small little bird. How you can tie me up? Okay. The sparrow went back to her nest and got a brilliant idea. So the sparrow going to her nest back and is thinking what we can do. So he's getting a idea. Next morning, Gulu come thumping towards the bush. So thumping again is making a loud noise, a heavy sound. It is making while walking, it is making a heavy noise. How dare you? Aren't you afraid of me? Just wait. Are you not tying me up? So the little elephant is asking, நீ என்ன இன்னும் கட்டி போடலையா? Are you not tying me up? So tying means கட்டி போடுறது. Are you not tying me up? So the little sparrow is telling, how dare you coming again this way? Just wait and see. Like this it is telling. So imagine children, how could a sparrow will pull the elephant and the crocodile? How it will tie up both the animals? Okay, just think. So it is a small sparrow, small bird. Okay, see how it is thinking, intelligent. The sparrow took a strong creeper and tied the elephant on one end. So the sparrow is taking a strong creeper. Creeper means it is a plant which grows around another plant. So it is like a ஒரு கொடி மாதிரி படர்ந்து போகிறது. That is called creeper. It is very strong, that creeper. Okay. So it is tied on to the elephant on one end. The sparrow is bringing that. See this picture, children. The sparrow is bringing a creeper to one side of the elephant and tying up. Don't you dare to move. Stay here until I fly and reach the other end of the rope to pull you. So you are how dare you come to this side again? Stay here. So inge nillu. I will fly and reach to the other side of the rope and pull you. So நான் அங்கே போயிட்டு பக்கத்து சைடு போயிட்டு உன்னை பிடிச்சி இழுப்பேன். So I will pull you. When I say pull, pull with all your strength. Let us see if you can move an inch. So when I say pull, so pull means what? இழுக்கிறது. When I say pull, pull with all your strength. Let us see if you can move an inch. So if I say pull, you have to move. Okay, you have to pull. So let us see whether if you can able to move an inch. It went to the river, saw the crocodile blocking its way. So it went to the river side again. So the sparrow is going to the river side now. So he is seeing the crocodile again in the same place. It is blocking its way. I will not move, just like yesterday. So drink the muddy water. So the crocodile is telling, I will not move from this side. You again drink the same muddy water. So which is not clear. Muddy water means it is not a clear water, clean water. Sparrow took the other end of the creeper and tied the crocodile. So the sparrow, little sparrow, is taking another end of the creeper. So another side irukla the creeper irukku and the kodi mari irukadha, another side of the creeper, it is tying to the crocodile side. I warned you yesterday. Now stay still until I grab the other end. So நான் உன்னை நேற்று சொன்ன மாதிரி நான் கட்டி போட்டுட்டேன். When I say pull, let's see if you are able to pull or not. ஸோ நான் இப்போது இழுக்கும்போது உன்னால் இழுக்க முடியுதான்னு பார்க்கலாம். It is telling sparrow. Sparrow went to the center of the creeper. So now both elephant and the crocodile is tied with the creeper. Now the sparrow is standing in the center of the creeper. Okay, center of the forest. So the sparrow is telling pull. The elephant and the crocodile pulled each other at the same time. See this picture, children. The elephant one side and the crocodile another side. They are pulling, okay, to each other. So this went on all day. So it is elephant also pulling one side, crocodile also pulling one side. At last both the animals were exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. So both the animals got very tired. Please let me go. I won't disturb you again. So the elephant is telling, young elephant Gulu is telling, I can't do anymore. I can't try. So let me go. I won't disturb you again. I will not disturb you anymore. So the same way the crocodile is also telling, untie me. I won't stand in your way. Untie. Untie means remove me. Okay, let us free me. So I will not come in your way. Good. I will remove the rope now. So the little sparrow is telling, I will remove the rope now. Gulu ran into the forest and the crocodile dived into the river. Soon they ran off, both the elephant and the crocodile. Soon the eggs hatched. Madam Sparrow lived happily with her 3 little babies. So the soon eggs were hatched. So it is producing a young animal. Soon the eggs has been hatched. So the Madam Sparrow lived happily with her 3 little babies. Okay, this was a nice story, children. Okay, see how this little sparrow is thinking at the situation. Next, choose the best answer. All the animals called the sparrow madam. The brown sparrow laid dash eggs. So how many eggs, children? How many eggs ma? 3 eggs. Dash lies stretching in the river. Crocodile. So crocodile lies stretching in the river. Sparrow tied the elephant and the crocodile with a creeper. So the answer is creeper. Sparrow solved the problem with her intelligence. Here she shows her intelligence. So answer is intelligence. Okay. Thank you, children.